Alright guys, welcome back. So, my wife ended up bringing home a bunch of these white zucchinis, is that what they're called? Mm-hmm. And they're huge! We made some into like pizza boats and made some that we just, how'd you cook them that one time? In the microwave.
In the microwave, Parmesan.
Parmesan style, butter and Parmesan. So, oh, and we also made some of Gretchen's style of vegetarian wings out of some of these. Made strips and like dipping sticks for hot wings. Buffalo sauce is really good. But we had one big one left. We're like, we got to use this for something here. So we cut them up, and my wife's going to tell you exactly what we're going to do with them here. It's pretty awesome.
So we are going to make zucchini chips. We are going to make ours barbecue flavor. We've already mixed up our spices. So I'm going to tell you what all's in the spices. 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, a dash of chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's all you got to do. Almost all those spices most people have already in their kitchen. We put it in the shaker because I save my empty spice containers. So we put it in here so it'll be easy to shake over them in a minute.
And I did add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt to this, just a touch.
Oh, that's
because awesome. Anytime you dehydrate, you need to add in a little bit of salt. It helps. So let's get started here.
So all we've done is we thinly sliced our white zucchini as thin as we could slice it. And our dehydrator's a little weird shaped, so we cut some odd shapes there. Generally,
you guys buying it from the store won't be getting giant ones like this. You'll get smaller round ones, so you won't have to cut the strips. But with ours, we need the strips to fill in between.
I think that one can fit right there.
Perfect. So all we're doing here is just filling them in wherever we can. They can overlap just a little bit. It won't hurt anything. We take and run the circles in the middle and run the strips around the outside from where we strip cut them. And it just fills in better. And then once we get them all covered and she's happy, then she'll take and she'll go heavy. Because remember, when you dehydrate, you season heavy. Heavy, 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 heavy. More than you would normally do, because as they shrink down, the moisture is going to suck it in. But you have to make sure everything is covered heavy because it dulls the taste down of everything.
Make sure you get all of them, even your edges.
Yep. So, try not to dump them here, but give you guys a view. That's what they should look like.
I'm going to put that one on there.
Yep.
Now, one thing to note, you'll see us use parchment paper on a lot of our recipes. You do not need parchment paper for these.
No, you want these to breathe. You want these to be able to let the heat run when you need it.
You grab that knife over there. I think we're going to need some more cut.
You're probably half the right. So we'll fill these in. She's going to season them heavy.
That seasoning smells awesome.
Yep.
You can really smell the garlic and stuff in it.
The dogs are getting upset because the lighting back there is attracting bugs coming in their dog door because their dog door is open. So they're getting restless because they're hound dogs, so they're hunters by nature. So if it's a mouse or if it's bugs or whatever, they get antsy and want to go chase them.
This is a great recipe if you end up getting a lot of zucchini in your garden.
And as you can see, we're going to just use up all this spicing on it. It ain't going to hurt up anything. Just...
Let me put a couple more on that. Maybe. Alright.
So, whoo, that seasoning's strong. Woo! Oh man, those are going to be powerful. So we'll get these dehydrated. We'll get back with you, let you know how long it took. You get to see us taste test them, and hopefully we can get a bag of them in the freezer before we eat them all. Alright, and we're back. So, 8 hours is what it took. Now, our thin slices were done in like 4.5. We had some thicker ones though, so I just let it go. The one thing I'm going to say about this is probably should have stopped halfway through and flipped them, because a few of them just ever so slightly are sticking, but it's not bad. So it's taste test time. See, that one's sticking just a little bit. You can see that. Eat them with the seasoning on tongue side down, it'll be a lot better.
Those are good.
Yeah. It's a very muted flavor. It's barbecue, but it's not like, boom, my face is going to explode because I just ate a barbecue chip. Which is a little more muted than that. But it's really good.
It's not. Tastes like a sweet barbecue.
Like a honey barbecue to me. That's just me. I'm sure if you put more cayenne, or whatever that chili pepper was, that it would give it a little bit deeper flavor and go more towards the regular barbecue side. I don't know.
It's really good.
It's a simple, healthy recipe.
And a good way to use up your extra zucchinis.
Yeah, if you need to get zucchinis processed fast and turned into something, there probably isn't much better of a way than this. I mean, they're still going to be feel a little jelly. I almost think that you actually might benefit from cutting these a little thicker. But it takes longer to dehydrate that way.
These are mine.
Well, I guess I can share and let you have these. But I think these are all going to be gone on some upcoming, more like day trips we have. I think you already ate some. There's not very many in this bag now. If you ever had like dried out mushrooms, that's kind of like what these feel like right now. They're dehydrated. But that could be because we used the white zucchini instead of the green, and it was really big. So, nice, simple, easy thing. Great for you, great for the kids, very healthy. And these are yours, I guess. Really?
I'll give you 2.
2.
2.
How about I take them all from you and you get none?
I've already got them. You didn't get mine.
So I gotta go run back. And my dog's already heading to get her. We'll see you guys in the next one. Come here. Hey.
No!
Come here. Give me those.